Alright, what's going on, everyone? Today we're out here in Philly. We got Oneway Rail. We got a couple of other kids. We're waiting on Corey and the rest of their pack to show up, and we're gonna try some tricks today. Hopefully I'm gonna land that one trick that I've been trying for a minute now. And yeah, we're just waiting on them, just warming up and stuff. And we'll catch up when they get here.
Hello. He made me break my fucking ankle. Pump that down up. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna pump it up again at bicycle therapy.
Haha. This ting feel weird. Woo! Ever the long neck. Oh. Oh. Hold on, wait, I'm adding some. Ah. Damn. Curbside pickup. Truck season. Truck season. Truck season. Oh. It's trunk season.
Oh, trunk season.
We mobbing. Oh. Ah. I got this.
Come on, stop.
Hey.
Let's go, long neck.
I want to pull a tweet.
Drop! Oh, he did it! Drop, long. Oh, wow. Somebody dropped this one.
Ah, speed up!
I can't see!
Yo, what the fuck's in front of you, bro?
I can't even touch this, bro.
Oh, I didn't think of that.
Oh.
Oh, he's catching that.
Oh. I almost lost it. Ah, I lost it. Damn. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I know, that's what I'm saying. Right here. I'm trying to do 3. Ah. Bro, this wind. Oh my God, bro. Making me mad. Get this one first. Let's go. Oh my God, he's tapped.
Never. Come on, long man. Oh! 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 You
Oh. Back. Alright, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I lost my keys in Philly, so I had to get someone to bring me my spare key for my truck. So we kind of ended it a little short, and it was kind of a rough day at the very end because, you know, that kind of wasn't fun. But yeah, if you guys like this kind of video, maybe I'll go down with Corey and ride a little more. But let me know, because if you guys want to see this type of content, then I'll go down there more, but it's just got to be on my off days. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.